Welcome to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video comparing two top-notch cameras in the market. In the left corner, we have the Sony Alpha ZV-E10, and in the right corner, we have the Panasonic LUMIX S5. Let's dive right into the comparison. Both cameras deliver exceptional image quality, but the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 boasts a large 24.2 MP APS-C Exmor CMOS sensor, which captures stunning details and vibrant colors. On the other hand, the Panasonic LUMIX S5 offers a whopping 96 MP high-resolution mode, ensuring incredible clarity and sharpness in your photos. When it comes to video, both cameras excel. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 records 4K movies oversampled from 6K with full pixel readout, providing crisp and detailed footage. Meanwhile, the Panasonic LUMIX S5 supports impressive 4K 60p, 10-bit video with 14+ stop dynamic range, ideal for cinematic videography. In terms of autofocus, both cameras offer improved capabilities. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 features quick and accurate subject detection, including head, eyes, face, and body. Additionally, it offers the product showcase setting for smooth focus transitions. On the other hand, the Panasonic LUMIX S5 provides high-precision autofocus, capturing subjects with ease. It also incorporates 5-axis dual IS2, allowing for impressive image stabilization at slower shutter speeds. When it comes to pricing, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 comes in at $798, making it a more budget-friendly option. However, the Panasonic LUMIX S5 is priced at $2,899, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. And that's a wrap for our comparison. Both the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 and Panasonic LUMIX S5 offer incredible features and capabilities, catering to different needs. It ultimately comes down to your preferences and budget. Let us know which camera you prefer in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product comparisons. Thank you for watching.